And welcome back to STL TV Live. I'm Ivy Hartman, and hanging out with me in the studio still are Brooks Goedeker and Rue Yawitz, co-chairs of the Grove Fest, happening this Saturday from 2 to 11. Now, the Grove is on Manchester Avenue between Kings Highway, essentially, and Vandeventer. Yeah. So that's where you want to be this Saturday between 2 and 11. For more details, 535-5311, or check them out online at grovefeststl.com. And you guys are all over Facebook as well, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Grove Fest has something for everyone. We talked a little bit before the break about it being family friendly. Tell us a little bit more about that. Should I bring my kids all the way to 11 o'clock at night? And what is there for them to do, Brooks?
2 p.m. to 7 p.m. is what we're calling our family friendly hours. That is where we have the ever popular Bubble Bus. We've invited this year Jimmy the Mime, Juggling Jeff will be there, STL Sprockets and their BMX crew will be there, No Coast Skateboarding crew, and then again, the very popular Paint by Numbers mural will be at Grove Fest again this year.
Which is interesting. Tell us more about the Paint by Numbers mural.
Yeah, so that's one of the showcases that we have every year. Grace McCammon, who's a neighborhood artist, she comes and outlines a mural, and then thousands of people actually come the day of Grove Fest and help paint the mural. So people stroll through and we're able to say, I painted that mural.
And so, as I understand it, have you done it every year, all
every
7 years? So there's at least 6 other murals in the neighborhood from Grove Fest.
We have a total of 13 murals now in the Grove. I think the most of any neighborhood.
Wow. Okay. In addition to family-friendly events, we've got tons of music happening, right, Rue?
Sure. And you know, those are also a little bit of both, because some of the bands earlier are very family-friendly. We're starting the day with the Funky Butt Brass Band.
Oh, we love them.
Everybody loves.
Yeah.
They're great outside. The kids love to dance, and then that's going to be on the main stage, and we follow that up with some reggae, which is really good for kids also.
Yeah.
And then we have 3 entertainment stages this year. We've added an entertainment stage. So we've got an entire main stage full of 6 bands, and then we have a STL Loud stage, which is a local showcase for all local St. Louis bands. And then we have a DJ and fashion show stage also with Miss Ohio Vintage doing a fashion show. So that was really popular last year, and that's kind of got more of the dance DJs. So I mean, as Brooks said, I mean, they're really, you can walk around and, you know, if you don't like a band or, you know, this is not your style of music, you walk down a couple blocks, take a left, and there's going to be a different band, and maybe you see that for a little bit, you walk around the corner, there's going to be a DJ and a fashion show going on. So there's just a ton of stuff. And the headliner on the main stage this year is a band from Brooklyn called Clap Your Hands, Say Yeah. They're pretty well known. They've been around since 2005. It's indie rock, and it's really danceable, fun stuff. So they're going to be on at 9:30. That's the last band on the main stage.
3 stages. There's going to be food trucks available also for food purchases, and the restaurants are all going to be open for the most part as well. So how many people are we expecting, Brooks?
Between 15,000 and 20,000 people. Should be plenty of police, plenty of parking.
Right?
So come on down.
Good. And that is on this Saturday, October 6th from 2 to 11. Favorites for you guys, like the don't miss thing that you've got, since you guys are seasoned veterans at Grove Fest?
Well, for me, it changes every year, because I have a 3-year-old. So the first time I came to Grove Fest, I was by myself. Now I'm really excited for my daughter, who loves skateboarding, to see the skateboarders, and also to try to do a little bit of the mural.
Fun.
So that should be really fun.
That will be fun. Brooks, what about you?
This year, going to the edgier side, we're going to have a mechanical bull starting at 7 p.m. So it'll be right out in the middle of Manchester, and I want to see who hops on the bull.
That is a highlight, I'd say. All right, so again, all that information, 535-5311. GroveFestSTL.com, and you want them to look for your Facebook fan page.
Grove Fest STL on Facebook.
All right, that's this Saturday, October 6th from 2 to 11 p.m. Family friendly is from 2 to 7 p.m. and then they just get buck wild on the bull and all kinds of great music and everything going on at 7 p.m. and after and all that great stuff. Thanks again for joining us, you guys. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Well, we've got to head out for a minute, but we've got so much more show coming up after this, so I want to make sure that you stay tuned. And when we come back, we'll talk with Miss Jackie from the Rib Shack. Remember, STL TV stays in the loop on what's happening in the Lou and wants to keep you in the loop too, so be sure to find us online. We're all over Facebook, so's Grove Fest, and we're all over Twitter. What about you guys?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, see who isn't. And we're on YouTube, so you can check us out at all those things, and you can share it with your friends. You can always watch us streaming live on our website at stltv.net. We'll be back with Miss Jackie right after this.